Hey everyone, welcome to English Go Easy. I'm Spark.
Hey, I'm Xena. Today we're doing a conversation that you'll have all the time, buying groceries at a supermarket. This is essential English for everyday life.
Let's dive in.
Looking for items in the store. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
I'm looking for almond milk. I've been walking around, but I can't seem to find it.
Sure. Almond milk is in aisle 7 with the other dairy alternatives. It's about halfway down on the right side.
Aisle 7. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, while I have you, do you have any fresh basil? I didn't see it in the produce section.
Yes, we do. The fresh herbs are actually in the refrigerated section near the salads. It's at the back of the store, just past the deli counter.
Oh, I was looking in the wrong place. Thank you so much.
No problem. Anything else I can help you find?
One more thing. Where can I find baking soda?
Baking soda is in aisle 12 with the baking supplies. It's near the flour and sugar.
Perfect. Thank you. You've been really helpful.
Happy to help. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks. Oh, excuse me again.
Yes?
Do you have any strawberries on sale? The ones I saw in produce seemed pretty expensive.
Actually, yes. We have organic strawberries on sale this week. They're 2 for $5. There should be a sign in the produce section.
Oh, great. I must have missed it. Are they fresh?
Yes, we just got them in this morning. They're really good quality.
Perfect. I'll grab some. And one last question. Do you happen to know if you carry quinoa?
Yes, we do. Quinoa is in aisle 9 with the rice and grains. We have both white and red quinoa.
Awesome. Thank you so much for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
At the deli counter.
Hi, can I get some sliced turkey breast?
Absolutely. How much would you like?
Can I get half a pound?
Sure. How thick would you like it sliced?
Medium thickness, please.
No problem. Give me just a moment.
Thanks.
All right, here you go. This is just a little over half a pound, about 0.55 pounds. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great. Anything else from the deli?
Actually, yes. Can I also get some Swiss cheese?
Of course. How much?
About a quarter pound. And can you slice it thin?
You got it. Thin sliced Swiss cheese.
Thank you.
Here you go. This is 0.26 pounds. Close enough to a quarter pound.
Perfect. And actually, what kind of salads do you have today?
We have pasta salad, potato salad, coleslaw, and macaroni salad.
Ooh, can I try a sample of the pasta salad?
Absolutely. Here you go.
That's really good. Can I get a pound of that?
Sure thing. 1 pound of pasta salad coming up.
Great. Oh, and do you have any rotisserie chicken?
Yes, the rotisserie chickens are right over there in the hot food section. They're $6.99 each.
Perfect. I'll grab one. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your pasta salad. Is there anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
At the checkout counter. Hi, just these items, please.
Sure thing. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did. Your staff was really helpful.
That's great to hear. Do you have a rewards card with us?
Oh, yes. Let me find it. Here it is.
Perfect. Let me scan that. Okay, you have $15 in rewards. Would you like to use them today?
Oh, wow. Yes, please.
Great. I'll apply that. All right, let me ring you up. Do you need bags or did you bring your own?
I brought my own. They're in my cart.
Perfect. That's eco-friendly. Okay, your total comes to $43.72 after the rewards discount.
Great. Can I pay with the credit card?
Absolutely. You can insert your card in the reader whenever you're ready.
Okay, inserting it now.
Perfect. Just follow the prompts on the screen. It'll ask if you want cash back.
No cash back, thanks.
All right, and now it's asking for your PIN.
Okay, entering it now. Done.
Great, your payment went through. Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. And according to your receipt, you just earned $10 more in rewards for your next visit.
Oh, that's awesome. How does the rewards program work exactly?
For every dollar you spend, you earn 1 point. And for every 100 points, you get $5 in rewards. Plus, we have special promotions where you can earn double points on certain items.
That's a good deal. I'll definitely keep using it.
Definitely. It adds up fast. All right, you're all set. Do you need help out to your car?
No, I'm good. Thank you, though.
You're welcome. Oh, wait, you have some coupons that printed out with your receipt. These are personalized based on what you buy.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. See you next time.
Oh, one quick question before I go. What time do you guys close tonight?
We're open until 9 p.m.
Perfect. I might need to come back later. Thanks again.
Anytime, we'll be here.
Great. Bye.
Bye.
In the parking lot.
Wow, that was a productive trip. Now to load everything into my car.
Hey there. I just stepped out for a quick break. Do you need any help with your groceries?
Oh, hi again. Actually, yes, that would be great. I bought more than I planned.
No problem at all. Let me grab a couple of those heavier bags.
Thanks. I didn't realize how heavy that pasta salad and rotisserie chicken would be.
Haha, yeah, those deli items can add up quickly. Did you find everything you needed in the end?
Yes, thanks to you and your coworkers. The store is a bit big, so I would have been lost otherwise.
Glad we could help. That's what we're here for.
By the way, do you guys usually have those strawberry deals, or was that just for today?
That's part of our weekly promotion. Every week we have different produce items on sale. It changes every Wednesday.
Oh, that's good to know. I'll have to check the weekly ads next time.
Definitely. You can also sign up online to get notifications.
That's convenient. I'll do that.
All right, here we are. Let me place these in your trunk carefully.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No worries at all. Do you have everything? Let's double check.
Let's see. Almond milk, basil, quinoa, turkey, cheese, pasta salad. Yes, I think that's everything.
Great. Looks like you're all set.
Thanks again for all your help today.
Anytime. Drive safe.
I will. Have a great rest of your shift.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, everyone, those were typical supermarket conversations.
Notice how the customer asked for help politely. Excuse me, do you work here? Can you help me find something?
The store employee was helpful and specific. Aisle 7, halfway down on the right side.
At the deli counter, the customer specified quantities and preferences. 1/2 pound, medium thickness.
The deli worker confirmed amounts. This is just a little over 1/2 pound. Is that okay?
At checkout, key phrases included, do you have a rewards card? Would you like to use your rewards? How would you like to pay?
The customer asked about the rewards program. It's common to have loyalty programs at supermarkets.
Important vocabulary, aisle, produce section, deli counter, rewards card, receipt, cashback.
When shopping, don't hesitate to ask employees for help. That's what they're there for.
Be specific about what you want, especially at the deli or meat counter.
Thanks for listening to English Go Easy.
Shopping conversations are super practical for everyday life.
Subscribe for more real-life English scenarios.
Until next time, keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.